Why is the airport pure chaos? Like, bro, your parents drag you there 3 hours early, and you walk in to see a line for security that stretches back
to another dimension.
You finally get to the front, and it's a full-blown inspection of your entire life. Take off your shoes, take off your hoodie, take your laptop
Out of your bag.
Bro, they make you unpack everything
Like you're a criminal.
and you always forget about that one water bottle you left in your backpack. The TSA agent holds it up
Like it's a mythical weapon.
and now you're the goofball holding up the entire line. You get to the gate, and it's a
Post-apocalyptic war zone.
every single seat is taken, so you have to sit on the floor and lean against a pillar
Like a defeated NPC.
Then they announce they're boarding, and everyone immediately stands up and forms a giant mob, even though they literally just said they're only boarding group 1. You finally get on the plane, and the aisle is completely blocked by some goofball trying to shove a suitcase
The size of a refrigerator.
into the overhead bin. You get to your seat and realize you're in the middle.
It's over for you.
You're about to be the main character in a 4-hour story.
Of suffering.
The person in front of you instantly reclines their seat all the way into your lap, and the person next to you has already claimed both armrests. My personal space has been deleted from the server, and we haven't even taken off. I'm completely cooked.